Want this kind of text animation?
We can begin your treatment.
Then follow these steps. First of all, we will bring in our clips. Then we will select the clip and press the L key, which will open the audio waveform so we can see where the audio is. After that, we will select the text option from the toolbox and then click on the composition panel to add the text. After that, we will cut it according to the duration of the text based on the voice. Play the video to listen to the voice.
I do have a question.
Then we will write the text according to the voice. Then on the side, there will be options. Go to the Align tab, click on it, and all the alignment options will appear. Select as needed. After that, there is the Paragraph tab. The Paragraph tab sets the text to the right, left, or center. After that, it is time to add animation to the text. You can add text effects from the Effects and Presets tab. You can also add them using a plugin called FX Console, which I use. First, we add the effect called Fade Upwards.
I do have a question.
Then we adjust it according to the text where the voice is pausing. Then we will add another effect called Increase Tracking. And we will adjust the keyframes at the end of the text. Then you can change the values as you like. Or you can add the values that I use. Now adjust the playhead at the end keyframe of the first effect, and then add a third effect called Fade Out Slow, and also adjust the keyframes according to your text.
I do have a question.
Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer, then repeat the same process and adjust the text according to the voice. Subscribe for more. Next video is on text effects.